Hey guys, it's Greg Jones. We are here at Gibbons Motorsports in Mooresville, North Carolina. I'm joined by Pete Gibbons, and today we're talking about this 421 cubic inch small block Chevy for UMP Dirt Modified, and it's your engine of the week.
Engine Builder's Engine of the Week is sponsored by Pengrade 1, L-Ring DOS Original, and NPW.
Pete, thanks so much for giving me a little bit of time here to chat about this awesome small block Chevy here that you guys got going together for dirt modified application. You guys are currently still finishing up a couple little things here on the oil pan. So it's cool we get a nice view of the rotating assembly here today. But if you could, walk us through a little bit about this particular engine. And I understand, the dirt modified stuff is a nice little niche for you guys.
Yeah, we do a few here and there, a little bit of everything. But yeah, they have a rule they have to run cast iron block and a wet sump oil pan. Other than that, it's wide open, so you can do whatever you want. Yeah. So it's a stroker 421, 13-degree heads, and all pretty solid stuff. Reliable stuff, so awesome. We use Molnar rods and crank, JE piston. This is a Dart SHP Pro block. Okay. So it's got a little bigger cam and lifter bores in it than the SHP. Yeah. So it's a good platform to start with.
Yeah. And how about the cylinder heads and any of the valve train stuff?
Yeah, this has actually got, these are Dart heads, and it's got Jessel shafts. And Exeldyne titanium valves. So usually run Exeldyne tie valves and all our race stuff. Yeah. So Jones pulleys, just kind of durable, good stuff. Comp cam, Crowler lifters.
Okay. And how big a camshaft is running in this?
This is about around 750 lift. Some of them, we've had them up around 800 lift. Yeah. Usually make anywhere 750 to 800 horsepower, so and they just race on a little tire, so an 8-inch wide tire, so it's more than enough power for them. Usually spinning the tires. Yeah. So
is there any, what's some of the tuning differences involved in an engine like this versus
on something like this, the camshaft has got to be right, because they're on the small tire, so traction is always a big thing for these. A lot of guys run restrictor plates, the track slicks up, so, and they need the horsepower for qualifying, so they'll run it wide open, and then
they're generally a pretty high RPM.
They run them up, 8,000 plus lap after lap, so you have to have pretty good stuff to keep them together.
Yeah, you need some good durability for sure.
So we've had good luck with all this stuff, Molnar crank, like I said, and this is their stroker rod, clears everything good, and just durable stuff.
And do you know how long the rods are in this particular?
Yeah, this has got a 6-inch rod. Yeah, we do 6-inch or 5.850 on these, and 3.875 stroke, and just whatever bore size. This was a brand new block, so.
Yeah. And what kind of bearings do you guys typically use?
We use these are all coated Cleveite H series main rods, and just Durabond, or I think this has a roller. Yeah. Some of them have a roller cam tunnel, so.
Very good. Now, obviously, we don't have the oil pan on. Who do you typically go to for an oil pan?
We either run Dan Olson or Champ oil pans, kind of back and forth between the two, depending on application. Yep. So, had good luck with all that stuff.
Awesome. And about an 800 horsepower package once it's all said and done?
Yep, 800 horsepower, and the big thing is trying to keep it somewhat smooth where it's not out of control. So. It's hard with 800 horsepower, but we've played with a lot of different cams, and just after some driver feedback, we kind of found some stuff that works good. So
awesome. Yeah. Pete, anything else about this particular engine that might have left out, or anything else to mention that's being used in the setup?
Nothing on this one in particular. This is kind of just our go-to kind of package, So
awesome. Well, Pete, we appreciate you guys telling us about this 421 small block Chevy for Dirt Modified, and Guys, we appreciate you all watching this episode of Engine of the Week. Make sure you're checking out everything that's going on here at Gibbons Motorsports. They build a lot of awesome engines for a number of different applications. And as always, make sure you're checking out enginebuildermag.com for more great engine content. We'll see you guys next time.